Education Department the Mairoi Singidamak Hill Valley Education Exchange Program Paikhatnaba Education Minister Thounaojam Basantakumar Kangan Kray Ngasi Manipur Education Department Sinduna Palace Compound Laiba MSFDS ta State ki thak ta pangthokiba Teacher Day ki thoramda wafam ase Minister Phongdokibane Ngasi pangthokiba thoram aduda Education S ki Commissioner Ais Gyan Prakash University and Higher Education ki Director Dr. Ragitabali Waikom Education S के Director L Nandakumar Amade Manipur Cultural University के Vice Chairman Paunam Gunindrona अथोइब मिथुंग सिंह ओइना सरुक याखे थौरम अदुग मरी लैनना ओजा मरी दे स्टेट अवार्ड खुसिनके कॉलेज तरेत स्टेट लेवल कॉलेज अवार्ड ओइना लुपा लिसिंग यांखै अमदे सर्टिफिकेट सु पिखिबका लोइनना एप्रिसिएशन अवार्ड ओइना टीजी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल अमदे सीसी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल दा मना पिखे Minister T.S. Basantakumar makha taraduna lamdam asida kundaminiriba kangluk kuntraga manga ase amaga nungsi sanana laiminanabagidamag exchange education program ase yamna mathau tai masina mahiroi singna mafam adugi chatnabe chaksha fijet amadi haurafam adu khangba ngamgane handak mahiroi singi nauna syllabus semnaba committee semgadariba asina lamdam asigi haurafam amadi chatnabigi matangda syllabus hapnaba honaragane ozagi sinpham haibase singtha ningai ne Sinpam asina kunai asige asoba thaudang ama laure ozana mahiroi singe ani suba mama mapa oibaga loinana mahiroi singbu tungi yumbi ama oirakna bo honabada ozagi asoba thaudang lei Manipur Education Department na lamdam asige mahiroi singbu malemga manaba thakta mahi masing tamba fangana bo honare haujik lamdam asida thokleba kanglup ani gi wakal tanada ba irang ase tungda amuk hana thoktana bo honare se Hykhare.
Afternoon everyone. No, that's not loud enough. Louder. You students. Very good, very good. Let's all say a big thank you to our teachers who have guided us. So I want you all to say, thank you, dear teacher. Louder. Very good. Thank you very much, Thakachari. First of all, my respects to the dignitaries on the dais. Shri H. Gyan Prakash, IS, Commissioner, Education, Paikhatnaba, Mathanda, Dr. Rangitabali Waikom, IS, Director, University and Higher Education, Paikhatnaba. Next, Shri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS, Director, Education S, who made a very good presentation today about the achievements of the Department of Education schools in these difficult times. Very nice presentation. Thank you very much. Paikhatnaba. Next, Shri P. Gunendro, Vice Chancellor, Manipur Cultural University, Paikhatnaba. Next, I want to pay my respects to all the officials, Chairman, Secretary of COSM, BOSM, Director, SCRT, who did the welcome address, Adult Education Additional Secretary, all the officials, teachers, particularly teachers today, students for whom we are all gathered here, the teachers, officials, everyone, parents, we all work for your future. So I want to give my respects. Pumamapu ay Paikhatnaba chari mehapunapu ngasi function nasi kidamak taleng birukoi damak ta aina hana thagat pu chari. Actually, Teachers Day, all the details, why it is being celebrated, everything has been put to you by the speakers before me. But again, I want to reiterate that we are gathered here today to honor and pay respects and homage to what, in my humble opinion, is the noblest profession in this entire world, that of teachers. Ozagi profession say it is the noblest profession. And in Manipur, when we want to give respect to anyone, whether he teaches